Hello friends, welcome back. Now we have CRUD for users and roles. Let's do the permissions CRUD. And I'm going to open first the code editor. And let's open the permission controller. And here, first let's also go inside the resources, JS, pages, and I'm going to duplicate the roles. So now we have permissions. Inside the permissions we have create, index, and edit. Very good. We're going to work with them later, but for now, let's get first all the permissions, and then we're going to return inertia, import that, render permissions index, and add the permissions like this if you like, or add an array permissions. Next, the same thing on the create, by the return inertia render permissions create. On the store, we need to create now the permission store request. So let's say artisan make a request, and we'll name it permission store request, and also one for the permission update request. And now let's use that here. So permission store request, and we need to import that, and then say permission create request validated, and return not like this, but we will return to the route permissions index without this. And let's open also this one, change the authorized to be true, and here add the validation for the name and the guard name. Now name is going to be unique, not the guard name. Okay, let's save, let's close, let's scroll down. We don't need the show, edit, add the permission, and they return inertia and the permission edit, pass in the permission. Also here we have to add the permission update request, and then say permission update request validated. Now let's open this and let's change the authorized to be true, and also here the same thing. Now we can say permission unique permission like this, or I prefer to say this route permission ID. Save, close, permission update validated, and next thing is here, passing the permission here, delete. Very good. Now let's open the index inside permissions, and we're going to import all of the routes from permissions. Also permission here, change permission, and define permissions. Very good. We need to import the type permission. Okay, remove the role, and here let's say create permission, a list of permissions, name, and here change permission. Also here change the permission ID, and we are good in this. Let's open the create inside the permissions, and here also we have to do the same thing. We have to change this to import from permissions, permission controller, permission here, create permission here, then create permission in here, where we have others, jump down, and here, also. I'm going to save this because I think we are good. Let's open the edit now inside the permissions, and also here we have to import this for permission here. Very good. Also change that one here, also this, and props permission, why we have underline error. Type, we need to import this permission type, permission. Okay, change this one, and also here. Now we have this underline error on the update from the permission controller, update, and we imported the permission, and now we don't have the error. I think we are good. Now let's see update permission. Let's see in the browser. Let's navigate on the permissions. We have permissions here. We can create a permission. Let's say test web, create the permission, and here we created. If I add this, we have validation. Let's create another one, test one, web, also this, create, and now we have two. Go to test one, update, add in dot, update the permission. Okay, we can also remove the C for validation, works. We can also add only the test to see if this works also, and the name has already been taken. We can say test one, update the permission. Now we have CRUD for permission. Let's see also for the delete, and it's deleted. Everything works. So now we have validate CRUD for permissions. Next thing is to create CRUD for tasks. Okay, so see you in next video.